So today we are cooking, wow, my favorite potato. So it will be like a chili potato basically, but not exactly chili potato. So we got onion, ginger, garlic, then the potato we cut it in a very thin slice like julienne, and I got some green peas which I'll be using afterwards. So the pan is ready here. Putting oil in the pan, put lots of oil because you will need potato to be cooked actually only in the oil. You're not going to add the water. Now let's put this ginger and garlic. Then we need to add onions. Let it cook for a while until this onion gets brown, and then we're gonna be putting the potato only. Remember, so far we haven't add any spices, no salt, no pepper, nothing. So first we need to cook ginger, garlic, then onion, and then potato. We need to put it also here. Now is the time to put potato. Okay, just like it's very simple, and it needs to cook about 3 minutes. We'll see. Cover it and let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes on a medium flame. The spices I will be using is turmeric, this is coriander powder, black pepper, chili flakes, and salt. So those are the 5 things I'm gonna be adding, nothing more. Now after 3 minutes, time to mix all the spices. I put rice, now I'm putting salt. Then after that we need to mix it well. Okay. Now time to add this green peas. We'll be adding in this. Looks quite good. Then mix it well and let it cook again for 3 minutes, then it will be ready. What a beautiful dish. I hope it's delicious. At last, lemon squeeze will help. Squeeze a lemon. Okay. It will change the taste.